So this is the result of this half-face typography effect. But what I see is that most people are doing half-face typography effect completely in a wrong way. So what I see is that instantly when they get an image, so this is the image which is the sample image. So when they get this image, they just instantly go to the elements, and after that just scroll to find the frames, and they instantly go to the letter frames and try to add the letters. And this, what I think, is the most slowest way to make this effect, because it is very much time taking and you have to adjust the image individually in all the letters, so it will take a lot of your time. And what the effect which I will show is the fastest and the most professional way, and let me show you now. So I will go to text here and click on add a heading, and in here I will just go to advanced settings and change the line spacing as 0.79. okay, and the alignment to be right aligned. Okay, and after that I will just write here in capitals, we need much less than we think we need. So that's what the text looks, and you have to just write it like this. And after that you have to go to font here and you have to choose Bernodu. So this is the font name. So the spelling I have written wrong, so this is Bernoru, and you have to choose the first one. So this is what it looks like, and the font size will be 86. Okay, and after that make sure that I stays in the middle of the A. So just align it like this. The eyeball will stay in the middle of the A part. Okay, so it is aligned, and also the face is half faced here. And after that, when this part is aligned, we will just cut the text here. Place on Ctrl plus X to cut it and click on add page, and after that add the text here by pressing Ctrl plus V. And after that, as you can see, we just adjusted the eyeball in the A part. So for that we have to just cover the A part, and for that we will go to elements. Okay, and just come back here to shapes, and I will use this one, and make sure the color is same as the text color, which is black. And after that just make it smaller and adjust it. And as you can see, it is covered now. Just adjust the triangle here, so it is adjusted. Now just download both the pages, the page 1 and 2. Just download it by clicking on share, click on download, make sure both of them are in PNG, and just download it. When the downloading is done, click on add page and just re-upload both the images. Okay, and after that just separate it here, and after that go to apps here, click on this search icon here and right here blend, and click on blend image. So for the bottom layer, select the text layer here, click on use selected image, and for the top layer use this image, but before that make sure the blend mode is in screen. Okay, click on use selected image, and your image will look like this. Click on add page and add it, and after that just cover it here, and after that just bring this image, click on Ctrl plus C to copy it and Ctrl plus V to paste it, and adjust the image. Okay, and just crop it till here, and after that click on BG remover this is the tutorial, and I hope you have learned something new here. And if you want me to design the similar thing for you, you can just DM me in my Instagram page. The link is in the description, and I will design it for you at very low rates. So hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.